This is very beautiful.
Asuntoskeittiö Konstantiininkatu 7.
Today on the 25th of October 2024, here's Meritullinkatu, Gatan 7, Stekisby. It was built in 1927 by Kone, distinguishes 566 on the buttons, replaced in the machine in 1950s, but still very amazing. How many heights?
3 maybe.
Yeah. We'll take 3. It's also in Kronhagen, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusmanni and Finland. Information. At least we got inside here.
Yeah.
But it was completely impossible.
Yeah. Is built by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Kone. No memory hopefully.
What about the Kone?
Yeah, it's the same in every floor.
A little bit unnecessary, but still good.
Yeah.
The top buttons could have been original.
Yeah.
Too bad somebody ripped off the Swedish one in the 16% of Swedish speaking finns and
Yeah. Yeah.
This staircase is very beautiful too.
Yeah.
And we need to film the staircase American.
Yeah.
It's same and it's worth filming, of course.
Yeah.
Well, it's still one of the best that we're not filming alone.
Yeah.
Probably after that last one in Oikopico.
Yeah.
And that staircase is still one of the best ones.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's